Okay, I've got a question this morning about how to count how many of these cells have the word application in them. And you'll see I put this sample together, some that end with S and some that do not have an S in them. And I'll start out, there's a couple ways you could work with this. First of all, you could go into conditional formatting and highlight cells that contain text that has application. I'm actually going to take the S off so it will pull up anything that has just the word application, which could be either the singular or plural. So that's one way to pull that out, but we're still not counting that. If I want to count them, I'm going to use the equal COUNTIF, and this would be my range that I'm looking at. My criteria, you'll be careful here. I want you to put in quotes, use an asterisk so that whatever comes before application and whatever comes after it is okay with you. You just want to pull out anything that has application in it. So using a wildcard in front and behind it will help you. And in that case, we do get 8. I did this earlier without the asterisk in it, and it did not work. I did not get the appropriate count. I also wanted to show that if you set this up or it's in a table situation, like here I've got headers, no space below the headers, and then just a simple table. If you insert the table feature, and you'll see I've already applied the conditional formatting from the Home tab. I did the same thing I did on the other with the conditional formatting. I've picked out text that contains the application. But I'll show you, if you're set up in a table, you could also go and turn on the total row. And in this case, we could filter it by just items that contain that filter color for whatever you were set up your conditional formatting, and in that case I'm getting a count as well. That's it, how to use COUNTIF to pull a word.